Welcome to this tutorial on kubectl port-forward. This is a powerful Kubernetes command that allows you to access pods locally. In this video, we'll explore how port forwarding works and when to use it in your Kubernetes workflow. Port forwarding creates a secure tunnel from your local machine directly to a pod running in a Kubernetes cluster. This enables direct access to services without needing to expose them externally through ingress controllers or load balancers. It's perfect for debugging, testing, and local development workflows where you need quick access to cluster resources. The basic syntax is kubectl port-forward, followed by the pod name and then the port mapping. The port mapping is specified as local port::pod port. This tells Kubernetes to forward traffic from a port on your local machine to a specific port on the pod. Here's a practical example. The command kubectl port-forward nginx-pod 8080:80 forwards local port 8080 to port 80 on the nginx pod. Once this command is running, you can access the pod by opening your browser and navigating to localhost :8080. The traffic flows from your local port 8080 directly to port 80 on the pod. You can also forward ports to a service instead of a specific pod. The syntax is kubectl port-forward service /my-service 8080:80. When you forward to a service, Kubernetes automatically selects one of the pods backing that service. This is useful when you don't need to target a specific pod and want the service's load balancing to handle pod selection. There are several useful options you can use with port-forward. The -- address 0.0.0.0 flag makes the port forward listen on all network interfaces, not just localhost. The -- namespace flag lets you specify which namespace contains your pod or service. Finally, the -- pod-running -timeout flag sets how long to wait for the pod to be in a running state before establishing the connection. You can forward multiple ports in a single command by separating them with spaces. For example, kubectl port-forward my-pod 8080:80 8443:443 forwards two port mappings simultaneously. This is helpful when your application exposes multiple services on different ports, such as HTTP on port 80 and HTTPS on port 443. Port forwarding has several common use cases in Kubernetes workflows. First, you can debug applications running in pods without exposing them publicly. Second, it provides secure access to databases and internal services for administration or querying. Third, you can test services locally before creating ingress rules or load balancers. Finally, it allows you to connect local development tools like database clients or API testing tools directly to cluster resources. Port forwarding is an essential skill for any Kubernetes developer or administrator.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.